Hello guys, welcome back to Future Code. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental sorting algorithms in computer science, bubble sort. First of all, we are going to get an idea about bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple comparison-based sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly stepping through the list to be sorted, comparing each pair of adjacent items and swapping them if they are in row order. The process is repeated until the list is sorted. Let's see how bubble sort works with an visual example. For this, I would like to get an array with 6 elements. 4, 15, 7, 9, 20 and 1 are the elements of my array. At the start, we have to compare first two elements. In my array, 4 and 15 are the first two elements. 4 is less than 15, so we have not swapped them. Then we have to move forward. 7 and 15 are other two pair of elements. 15 is greater than 7, so we have to swap them. And the next pair of elements, 15 and 9, they are also 15 is greater than 9, so we have to swap them. Then we move forward, we made 15 and 20. At this time 20 is greater than 15, so we have not swapped them. At the last, we have made 20 and 1 as our elements. At this time 1 is less than 20, so we have to swap them. So at the end of this first iteration, we have the highest value, it means 20 in the correct position. Now we can move for a second iteration. At this time our first pair of elements are 4 and 7. 4 is less than 7, so we have not swapped them. Then we move for our second pair of elements, 7 and 9. This time also 7 is less than 9, so we have not swapped them. Then we can move for other pair of elements, 9 and 15. This time 9 is less than 15, so we have not swapped them. Then we can move forward. This time our two elements are 1 and 15. At this time 15 is greater than 1, so we have to swap them. At the end of the second iteration, the 15, it means the second highest value of our array is in correct position. Now we can move for our third iteration, and this time our first two pair of elements are 4 and 7. 4 is less than 7, so we have not swapped them. Then we can move for our second two pair of elements, 7 and 9. This time also 9 is greater than 7, so we have not swapped them. Our other two pair of elements are 9 and 1. This time 1 is less than 9, so we have to swap them. At the end of the third iteration, 9 is in the correct position. It means the third highest value in our array is in the correct position. Now we can move for our fourth iteration. At this time, first two pair of elements are 4 and 7. 4 is less than 7, so we have not swapped them. Then we can move for our second pair of elements, 1 and 7. This time 1 is less than 7, so we have to swap them. At the end of the fourth iteration, 7 is in the correct position. It means our fourth highest value in our array is in the correct position. Now we can move for our fifth iteration. At this time, 4 and 1 are our first pair of elements. 1 is less than 4, so we have to swap them. At this time, after the fifth iteration, 4 is in the correct position. Means our fifth highest value in our array is in the correct position. After those all iterations, our array is fully sorted.